Welcome back to Brain Crush Daily. Think you know how the human body works? From your brain to your bones, the human body is full of surprises. This quiz will test your knowledge in ways you never expected. Get ready to challenge yourself and see if you can score 100%. Drop your answers in the comments and let's get started.
Which part of the brain is responsible for emotions? Hippocampus or amygdala? Amygdala. Which human cell is the largest, nerve cell or egg cell? Egg cell. Which human cell is the smallest? Sperm cell or red blood cell? Sperm cell. Which part of the body has the thickest skin, feet or hands? Feet. Which human body system is responsible for fighting infections? Nervous system or immune system? Immune system. Which element is found the most in the human body? Carbon or oxygen? Oxygen. Which vitamin is produced when skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D or vitamin C? Vitamin D. Which type of blood cells help in clotting? Platelets or white blood cell? Platelets. Which part of the human body can repair itself the fastest? Liver or skin? Skin. Which type of muscle is found in the heart? Skeletal muscle or cardiac muscle? Cardiac muscle. Which bone protects the brain? Skull or spine? Skull. Which sense organ is responsible for balance? Ears or eyes? Ears. Which is the only organ that can float in water? Liver or lungs? Lungs. Which type of joint is found in the knee? Ball and socket joint or hinge joint? Hinge joint. Which body part contains the most fat, brain or belly? Brain. Which part of the ear helps with hearing? Cochlea or eustachian tube? Cochlea. Which part of the body has the most sensory nerve endings? Fingers or tongue? Fingers. Which bone in the human body is not connected to any other bone? Clavicle or hyoid? Hyoid. Which organ is responsible for filtering waste from the blood? Liver or kidneys? Kidneys. Which is the only part of the body that cannot repair itself? Skin or teeth? Teeth. Which body part has the most bacteria? Mouth or stomach? Mouth. Which is the largest artery in the human body? Aorta or pulmonary artery? Aorta. Which sense develops first in a human baby? Hearing or touch? Touch. Which part of the body produces tears? Salivary gland or lacrimal gland? Lacrimal gland. Which part of the digestive system absorbs the most nutrients? Small intestine or large intestine? Small intestine.
That's it for today's video. Now you can choose your next challenge and have more fun. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And hey, drop a comment below and I will see you in the next one.